Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add auto caption on a VN video editor for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN video editor app on my mobile phone, and I'm going to open up the project I have just created, this one. And I'm going to generate a caption for this video automatically, but before it I'm going to show you the original video. Hi everyone. Okay, the video is in English, and then if you want to generate auto caption, we can just scroll all the way to the right, and then we will find auto captions feature. Okay, then you can select the caption language, and I'm going to choose English, and then you can translate it to another language, but I'm just going to select the single caption, not bilingual caption. Okay, and then if you want to get the auto caption for free, you can choose the type of the auto caption here. You can choose tiny, base, or cloud-based conversion, but it's not free. So I recommend you to choose the base one, so you can apply the auto caption for free. And then we just need to click on convert. Okay, and just hold on. Now the caption is being generated. And for your information guys, that we can only apply auto caption to a video, so you can't apply it to audio. You can generate auto caption from audio only, and the video should have voice. You cannot apply the auto caption for the video without voice. The auto caption won't appear if you add muted video. Okay, and then I'm going to play it actually for someone. Okay, and then if you're not satisfied with the result, you can do batch editing. Just go to the batch edit, and then you can edit the caption manually. Okay, and then for the style, you can go to the subtitle animation. You can choose word by word, and then active word or letter by letter. It's up to you. And I'm going to choose active word. Okay, and then I'm going to play it one more time. Today is his birthday. Yeah, it's not that accurate. So I'm going to change the style. I'm going to choose frame only. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add auto caption on VN video editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.